benefits of IELTS for people who just want to have a try. You know, not everyone want to live and study or work in another country. They just want to stay where they are. So why do we want to try the test of IELTS?
All right, so we need to really delve deep into this question because I know there are some people who do that, right? And people who are not wanting to go to another country or travel or study or relocate. IELTS is the International English Language Testing System, right? So the test primarily is designed to test your current level of English. Right?
Yeah.
This test is not meant for English language enhancement. You know, the test cannot improve your English.
Yeah.
So I would suggest personally as an educator, you know, I'm very passionate about education and I am very compassionate when it comes to my students.
Yeah.
And I don't want my students to be wasting money if
of
they
course.
don't need to. So if you are sitting the IELTS test just for no reason, I would strongly advise you not to do that. You'd rather invest that money into English language classes to improve your level of English rather than sit for a test that will just test your English, tell you, okay, this is where you stand. What next?
Right? Yeah, I agree. So we sit this test not just to see what your score is. We want to see where exactly your English skills is. Where we are in the progress of studying English.
Yes, absolutely. And it's an expensive test.
You
know? So what is the point spending money on something that will not give you any kind of growth? Right? So if you're not traveling abroad and it's not not a requirement for your visa, then why would you go ahead and spend that money to sit for a test? If you know really want to improve your language skills, then you join classes, whether academic or general English classes, and enhance your language skills and perform better.